PSC that will take over. Yes, ma'am. Ang ano kasi ma'am, ang Presidential Security Group o PSG na ngayon ay pangalan niya PSC, Presidential Security Command. Ang batas na gumawa noon, may mandato siya. Ang mandate niya is the protection of the President and his family, protection of the Vice President and his family. At meron pang iba. So, ang PSC kasi is the command under the armed forces of the Philippines. Walang mga police doon. AFP yan sa lahat. Ang mandate ng PSC, President and Vice President. Bakit? Bakit yun ang mandate nila?